Hi, I'm Christina Heidick, and I'm here with a super fantastic hack to get more volunteers signed up for your PTO events. So the trick is, hey, you know when you send home a flyer and you're like, hey, I'm gonna jump into like the 21st century and have people sign up. Maybe you're gonna use Sign Up Genius or another online sign up tool like that. And you go to put the web address of the sign up form and it's like 25 characters long. Guess what? Your parents are just too lazy to go and do that. They're just not going to do it. It's just a hoop too much for them to jump through. I'm not calling them lazy people. I'm just like, when I see that kind of a form, when it's like 25, 35 characters long, I'm like, oh, good Lord, no, I'm just not going to do it. And I search for a different way to get it done. So a way that you can make it much easier on yourself is to go to bit.ly, bit.ly, and get yourself a free account. That is a link shortening service. So what it does is enables you to put a smaller, tiny link on your sign up, on your flyer that goes home, instead of a super long web address with like 25 or 35 characters, because that's what you'll get from if you use Sign Up Genius at signupgenius.com/E56712358P0, right? Because they're trying to make it unique for all the people who are using them. Instead of getting that kind of a crazy address to put on your flyer, you can instead put a really short, memorable link on there that makes it so easy for people to type in to their web browser. So the link you will get is bit.ly/Tigers Fundraiser, because you can also customize it, and as long as no one else has used the customization, yours to use. If you're really creative, you can come up with something that is perfectly suit your group, and I guarantee you'll get more people to sign up using that than if you have the unclickable link on a flyer that's super long and no one's going to take the time to plug that in. So you can jump into the 21st century and have this awesome solution instead of relying on paper forms. I hope you enjoyed this tip, and if you did, go ahead and subscribe and make sure to hit the bell so that you're notified when I upload new videos.